Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, are you a focus master? Then find the number 56 within 10 seconds. Wow, you are a focus master. You find it the odd number. Genius can find the odd carrot basket within 10 seconds. Fantastic work. You find it the odd carrot basket. Only smart people can find the odd letter H-O. Super, you are a smart. You find it the odd letter H-O. Genius can identify the right number 60. You are amazing. You identify the right odd number. Chicken master can find the odd chicken within time. Amazing work. You are a chicken master. You find it the odd chicken. Deductive eyes can find the imposter letter like AZ. Yes, you are a genius. You find it the imposter letter. Are you a puzzle master? Then find the number 64. Amazing work. This one is an odd number. Think fast, find smart, find the odd rice ball within time. Super job, you are a smart. You find it the odd cow. Exciting math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? Wow, good catch. The right answer is 12. Can you find the camouflage number like 23? Super job, you find the odd camouflage number. Easy level done, medium level start. Sharp eyes can spot the odd letter RYT. perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Legend can find the odd bunny before the time's end. Really, you are a legend, you find it the odd bunny. Can you spot the odd number like 927? Good job, you find it the odd number within time. Test your eyes, find the odd letter LVR. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Fruit lovers, attention here. Can you find the odd apple within 10 seconds? This one is tricky, but you find it within 10 seconds. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? Yes, you find it the correct option like A. Test your IQ, find the odd math ball within 10 seconds. Amazing, your IQ like Einstein IQ, you find it. Test your observation skill, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you did it, you find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like D, O, F? Awesome! You pick the odd letter within time. You fast like a rabbit, then find the odd rabbit within 10 seconds. Wow, you are fast, you find it the odd rabbit. Genius can find the strange number like 643. Excellent, this one is the odd strange number. Are you a letter hunter? Then spot the odd letter like NCP. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Can you find the odd crystal doll before the time's end? Super job, you find it the odd crystal doll before the time's end. Are you a focus master? Then find the number 182. Yes, you are a focus master. You find it the odd number. Sharp eyes can find the rule breaker letter like ZTA. I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which junk food is shaped like a ring? Yes, donut is the right answer. Test your IQ. Find the number 490. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like XVM? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Can you find the mistake number like 783? Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done, hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd cheese before the time's end. Amazing work. You find it the odd cheese before the time's end. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? Can you find the odd coffee within 10 seconds? Super job, you find it the odd coffee. Visual eyes challenge. Can you find the odd number within 10 seconds? Brain booster. Can you find the odd letter before the times and can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one. Can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.